So in this tutorial, we're going to go over a simple method to test if a string is palindrome. So what is a palindrome string? It means when you reverse a string, it returns the same original string. Now, for example, we have something like level, where if inversed, it's also level. Another example, this would be Eve, something like 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1, and racecar. So we're going to go over a really simple way to test something like this. So we can start off by defining a variable, and we can just do it as racecar. Now we'll do b as something like hello. Now the method we're going to be using here is one of the simpler methods to inverse a string, and this is how we could do so. And we could do the same here with b. Knowing this, we could use the double equals operator to return Boolean to see if this relationship is true. Now, in this case, it is not, but here we could see it is. Now we could test with other variables, such as, say, Eve and 1, 2, 3, 2, 1. And we could see it's still true.